If you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. So the Apple keynote has just finished, and all I can say is, where the frick is AirPower?
Tell me, baby, what have I done?
What's going on, guys? Apple World here, and hopefully you had a great keynote day. My keynote day, the keynote was live streamed, of course, in the channel. We had over 900 people in the live stream. It was a great time. No AirPower. We're gonna go ahead and talk about that in a separate video. This video is everything that you need to know on the Apple Watch Series 4. So if you're new to the channel and you love Apple, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because trust me, if you love Apple, this is the channel to be. So anyways, let's go ahead and start with everything that you need to know on the Apple Watch Series 4. Let's go ahead and start off with the design, which we kind of already knew about, but the Apple Watch now has rounded edges, which looks just absolutely beautiful. It's got a 30% larger display. What that means is that the 38mm is now a 40mm, and that the 42mm now is a 44mm. So we're getting much larger Apple Watch, which I'm so down. The interface of the Apple Watch has changed. There are new complications that simply work better with the edge-to-edge display. We also get a new exclusive watch face to the Apple Watch Series 4, and that watch face is called the Infograph watch face. We can see so many things in this watch face. I mean, we can see the Breathe app, the Activity app, the Workout app, the Music app, the Heart Rate app, the temperature, the humidity. There's so many things just when you raise up your wrist. That is all the information you're getting, and that with the edge-to-edge display, I mean, it's so beautiful. I mean, Apple, just take my money.
Shut up and take my money.
A couple watch faces have also been redesigned, including the modular watch face. Also, the digital crown has totally been re-engineered. It now has a new look and gives you taptic feedback. I feel like I'm just gonna be doing this all day. The new digital crown also allows you to use the ECG app just like this. We're gonna talk about that in a second, but it's total insanity how Apple has added ECG support on the Apple Watch. We're gonna talk about it in a second. So yeah, the Apple Watch Series 4 allows you to generate an ECG, which is the first time that a company has ever done this, has ever provided for a product that's on our wrist, first of all, that allows us to use an ECG. We usually simply had to go to the doctor's office to get an ECG. Now you simply put your finger, wait 30 seconds, and now you have an ECG on your Apple Watch. Then you go to the health app on your iPhone, you can actually export it and send it to your doctor. It's crazy. It's total madness how Apple has actually added this to the Apple Watch Series 4. Apple, wow. The back of the Apple Watch has also been redesigned. Before, there were 4 sensors to check your heart rate. Now there's only 1. To be honest, if you think about it, the new back of the Apple Watch Series 4 kind of reminds me like Iron Man. Let me know in the comments if I'm the only one. So as you guys know, the Apple Watch Series 3 is actually really fast. The new Apple Watch Series 4 actually has an S4 chip, and it's actually 2 times faster than the Apple Watch Series 3. I mean, if this thing is super fast, just imagine the speed of the Apple Watch Series 4. I mean, it's definitely just things like checking an email or checking the weather. It's going to be so much faster checking it on your Apple Watch rather than checking it on your iPhone. Usually, especially on the original Apple Watch. I was mentioning this on a live stream earlier. Checking your email on your Apple Watch before was literally took 40 seconds for the app to load. Now, with the Apple Watch Series 3, it's literally 5 seconds. Now, it's literally just going to be, you won't even need to wait. The speakers on the new Apple Watch Series 4 have also changed. They are now much larger and much louder. And also the microphone was before, it was right here, and now it's next to the digital crown. So now when you actually do calls, the microphone, your mouth is gonna go straight to the microphone. So that with the speakers and the microphone, you're going to have such a good experience with calls. Currently with the Apple Watch Series 3, I feel like people can't hear me. Whenever I call people, whenever I call my friends, they're like, what? Can you please just call me on your iPhone? I can't really hear you. Now with the Apple Watch Series 4, it should be a much better experience. Apple has focused a lot on health with the ECG, and now the Apple Watch sends you a notification if your heart rate is too high, which it already did that, but now it actually lets you know if it's too low, which is awesome. Also, the Apple Watch Series 4, before you're actually about to fall, let me explain this because it's kind of weird, but it's actually can be life-changing for so many people. Let's say you're climbing up there and you can't reach and you're about to fall. The Apple Watch actually lets you know. It's got a really advanced gyroscope. Let's say you're on a chair and you can't reach. The Apple Watch will let you know, hey, you're about to fall. You should probably stop doing what you're doing. So 2 years ago, my aunt was actually drying her clothes. She lived in a really high apartment and she was just drying her clothes and she couldn't reach that certain that certain piece of I think it was a t-shirt. She was really reaching it and she couldn't reach it, and she actually fell down the building and she actually passed away. So if my aunt would have had the Apple Watch Series 4, that could have probably not happened. So a lot of people are like, this fallen feature is kind of dumb. Well, it's kind of not. It could actually save a lot of people's lives. It's a feature that hopefully nobody will want to use because, of course, it could save a lot of people's lives. So it's like the heart rate feature. Anyways, I don't want to make this Apple Watch. I don't want to make this video sad. Let's move on. The Breathe app can now be used as a bunch of watch faces, including the classic watch face, the focus watch face, and the calm watch face. It's pretty cool. Every time you pull up your wrist, you're gonna get a breathing animation. So you can, if you really like the Breathe app, you simply do like this. And you breathe out, and then you look at the time. It's good stuff. The Apple Watch Series 4 comes in 2 new materials. Aluminum, which comes in gold, space gray, and silver. And the stainless steel comes in space black. Gold, which is a first timer. Gold stainless steel, which is just absolutely beautiful, and it's pretty affordable. And silver. The Series 4 starts at $399 to $799. Now, what happened with the Apple Watch Edition? Well, it's time to say goodbye to the Apple Watch Edition because it has just gotten discontinued, which is pretty sad. I like the Apple Watch Edition. It was just a lot of money. So I understand why Apple discontinued it, but I'm still sad because it was such a beautiful device. Of course, in every keynote, we get new Apple Watch bands. We got some new sport bands, which are the new Nectarine Sport Band, the new Blue Horizon Sport Band, and the new Lavender Sport Band. We also get some new sport loops, that being said, the Cape Cod Sport Loop, Nectarine, Hibiscus, Storm Gray, and the Indigo Sport Loop. We also get some new leather bands, which are the Peony Pink, Forest Green, Cape Cod, and Ruby, which is actually product red. Apple also introduced today a new gold Milanese loop to match, of course, with a new gold stainless steel. Man, that looks absolutely beautiful. I know it's kind of for women. It doesn't really match my style, but boy, is that thing beautiful. And yeah, we got the Apple Watch Series 4, we got the iPhone XS, we got the iPhone XS Max, and we also got the iPhone XR. And that's it? No AirPower? Okay, I'm starting to get really annoyed at freaking Tim Cook. Tim, where the frick is AirPower? You didn't even mention it. At least mention, like, oh no, it's coming in 2 months, don't worry, but we're still working on. No, you didn't even say that. Where the frick? My patience has run out. Whenever AirPower is freaking released, I won't even buy it. I probably will, but I'm starting to get... When Tim Cook said goodbye and thank you, I was like, bro, can you come back on stage and please announce AirPower? We were all waiting for AirPower today. I thought when the keynote was going to be finished, I went to the Apple Store app or the Apple Store website, and there's no AirPower there. So I guess we have to wait even longer for AirPower. At this point, I don't even know. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think of the Apple Watch Series 4? Are you guys going to purchase the Apple Watch Series 4? I personally love all the new changes, all the new health-related features, all the new finishes, the new design. It looks absolutely stunning. I'm so happy with the Apple Watch Series 4. It's actually a pretty big change, especially with double the speed. That thing is going to be so fast. I'll try to upload 2 more videos today and everything that you need to know on the iPhone XS and the XS Plus, and then everything that you need to know on the iPhone XR. So if you aren't subscribed to the channel, welcome. I'm Nikias, and I run this channel called Apple World, which are basically for Apple fanboys like you. If you guys want to help support the channel and buy some awesome t-shirts, make sure to check out appleworldclothing.com. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.